What is this? Born Free 11? Born Free 12? Born Free 13?
It's funny, it doesn't feel like it was 2 years ago, but it was 2 years ago, and then kind of getting back, it's something you'd miss.
It's kind of like the first day of school where you see a bunch of your old friends and everybody's, living well, and hopefully we'll get the COVID thing behind us, but importantly, it's just really good to get everybody back together.
You don't really know how good something is until it gets taken away from you, and man, does it feel good to be back at Born Free 12.
People are out in full force this year. There's a little bit of uncertainty with some people about who would show up, and once we got here, that was definitely not the case.
I don't know how many people are here, but it seems like a shitload. It is obvious that people are ready to get back out and get back to life.
It's cool to see people out here they brought all their bikes out. They're excited to see the stuff. They're excited to see the new stuff we've been working on. We're excited to see stuff that other people have been working on. It's just cool to get back and get a sense of normalcy back in life.
All you hear all day in the background is bike, 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 bike.
Don't talk about it now.
Born Free is kind of a special show because really they really celebrate the builder and the custom things and the fabrication that those builders do. So every year they invite out 20 or so builders to do a special build specifically for this show.
Born Free is such a melting pot of every kind of bike you could possibly want to see. The race bikes, the choppers, the performance bikes, you can't beat it.
Not just tough guys talking about their bikes, it's a very welcome and inviting environment, and Born Free really allows all these people from different backgrounds to come together and really showcase the best of what the motorcycle industry has to offer.
Born Free, what can you say? 12 years, post-COVID, you can't keep a good show down. This show's here to stay, and we can't wait to see it next year.
And God damn it, if I don't win the fucking bike today, I'm gonna be devastated. 3 of my friends have won bikes here, and this is my year.